You are welcome to this online course where you are going to be learning how to invest in Nigerian stock market. Every basic information you need to have is what you are going to be learning in this course. It's going to be in 8 modules. Make sure you follow through till I release the 8th module. So it's going to be an 8-part video. That's what it means. So quickly, let's look at the module one after the other. Let's look at the agenda that we have for this course. So number 1 is the introduction, which we have started already. After this, we'll talk about the 3 M's of money, why you need to start investing. So module 2 talks about why you need to start investing. Why you need to start investing. That's what we'll be talking about, the cash flow quadrant. You will know the importance and why you should start investing. Then module 3 is where we have understanding the investment quadrant. Understanding the investment quadrant. This will help you to know where to place your investments, choosing the right investment that suits your kind of person or your objective. Then we have module 4 where we're going to be explaining shares and stock. Then module 5 is preparing to invest, essential steps and resources. Essential steps and resources. What are the things you need to know before you start investing? That's what we'll be discussing in module 5. Module 6 is investment strategies. Stay tuned as we will be talking about investment strategies that you can deploy in shares and stocks investments. Then number 7 is types of market analysis. Types of market analysis. We'll be talking about the kinds of market and the types of market analysis that we have, and something you can do yourself before you eventually press the buy or sell button. Then number 8, we'll have a case study. Real life examples of how stocks have moved from one point to the other. That's what we'll be talking about in this module 8. So quickly, let's look at it. Who is this course meant for? Number 1, a salary earner. By the time we get to why you need to start investing, you will know why it is imperative for salary earners to watch this video to the end. And we are still even going to have the advanced level. That is for those who really want to go in depth. They don't just want to be average at it. Every salary earner needs to know this. Number 2 is self-employed. A self-employed person also will realize the reason why he should start investing in shares and stocks. By the time we get to why you need to start investing, we'll be discussing the cash flow quadrants. Then we are the third category of people that should watch this course: students and apprentices. Then number 4, the clergy is not left out. Then 5, business owners. Business owners is imperative because at a point in time you'll be sitting on a lot of cash in your business, and the question is, what will you do with this cash? So looking at investing in equity is important. We also call shares and stocks investment as equity investments. These are the basic knowledge you'll be having, you'll be getting to know and understand in this course. So let's quickly go into it. The 3 M's of money. The 3 M's of money. Number 1 is you need to know how to make money. I want to believe you already know this, because by now you should know how to make money. And if the only way you know how to make money is through salary, in this video, if you stay tuned, you will know other ways of making money, especially through passive income, through shares and stocks investments. Then we have managing money. Managing money, you simply need to know how to budget your money, how to protect your money, and how to save your money. It is imperative. Then the last one we'll be talking about in this video, which is a subset of multiplying money. Of a major way you can grow your money over time is knowing how to multiply, how to invest your money. So a subset of it, which is shares and stocks investments, is what we are discussing in this video. So join me in the next module where we'll be talking about why you need to start investing. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do by clicking on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you can be notified as I release each of these modules. So we meet in our next video. Stay blessed.